Hey everybody, so welcome back to the channel, and what I want to talk about today is I want to talk about, or I want to give you, specifically you guys, five signs to let you know that your girl, your wife, your fiance, your whatever, five signs to let you know that she is sexually satisfied. But before we talk about that, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to leave your comments. And don't forget to add your signs as well below. So let's get into it. All right. Five signs that she is sexually satisfied. Number one, she will cook for you after sex, right? She'll cook for you after sex because it was so good, it was so satisfying that, and she knows that you hungry now, that she will cook for you after sex. That is the number one key, right? Well, not number one, but it's one of the main things. It's one of those five signs that she is sexually satisfied, and that she will cook for you after sex. That's one of them. Number two, she doesn't hold back. She does not hold back during sex. So while you're having sex, she releases her body to you. She doesn't hold back, and she lets you, you have your way, so to speak, right? Lets you have your way, right? That's number two. She does not hold back during sex. She releases her body, mind, body, soul, spirit, whatever, to you. That lets you know, she's sexually satisfied. All right, number three, there's this admiration. There's this admiration, the way she looks at you, up and down, almost undressing you, right? Almost undressing you with her eyes, always looking at you in this type of way, like, you know what? You know what? And might even tell you that too. You know what? You know what? She has this way of just kind of looking at you with her eyes, just kind of undressing you with her eyes. That admiration, like, All right. Number four, she's always available. She's always available. All you got to do is just pick up that phone or shoot a text or whatever the case is. She'll be right there. She'll be right there. Because she wants it just as much as you, right? She'll be right there. You just pick up that phone, you just call, you just say, "What's up? What you doing?" And she'll be right there because she wants it just as much as you. So she's always available. She's always yours all the time. She'll make excuses to not go out with her girlfriends or whatever the case is to come spend some time with you. That's how you know. And number five, the main reason. Oh, all right, number five. She will call you daddy or poppy during sex. Now, that's not just something that women are just going to say. So you got to really be doing what you're doing, right? She will call you daddy or poppy during sex, right? And that's when you know that you are really, really satisfying her sexually. She'll call you daddy or poppy during sex.